Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify identity theft protection with TransUnion, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your identity theft protection with TransUnion, start by visiting the TransUnion website. Look for the section on identity theft protection. Click on the link to access your account or create a new account if you haven't already. If you're creating an account, fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Once you've submitted your information, check your email for a verification link. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. Log into your TransUnion account using your email and password. Navigate to the Identity Theft Protection section on your dashboard. Review your current protection plan and coverage details. To verify if protection is active, check the status indicator, which should show if monitoring is enabled. You may also find a summary of recent alerts and actions taken on your account. If you have any concerns, use the Contact Support option to speak directly with a TransUnion representative. They can provide assistance in confirming your identity theft protection status. Make sure to review any recent alerts or notifications that may indicate potential issues. Regularly monitor your credit report and scores for any unauthorized activities. Keep records of your communications with TransUnion for future reference. Ensure your personal information is secure by updating passwords and enabling two-factor authentication, if available. Regularly check your protection plan for any updates or changes that may enhance your security. Staying proactive can help you manage your identity theft protection effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.